Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel, that is Abacus Learning is Fun. Today we are going to explore something super simple and yet very fascinating. That is counting on your fingers. That's very common, right? But I'm going to teach you something next level. Normally what we used to do is count till 10 on a 10 fingers, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that's it. Or we could count using the boxes on our fingers till 30. That's what I used to do before. But now I have learned a new technique where you can count up to thousands or maybe lakhs only using your 10 fingers. Yeah, you heard it right. You can count up to 1,000 or maybe lakhs just using your 10 fingers, and you can also do your addition, subtraction using your fingers. Wow, life would be so easy if I would knew that in my school times. But anyways, you can learn now. So let's start. We will indicate each finger with a value, okay? So show me your left hand. Everyone just show me your left hand. This will be number 1. 1 means God. We will indicate each finger, each number with something so that we can remember very easily. So let's begin. 1 means God. 2, this is number 2. 2 means victory. 3, this is number 3. 3 stands for letter W. 4 means snake. It's easy for us to remember like that. And how is 5? Normally we do like this, but no. Only this thumb is number 5. 5 means all the best. This is number 5. So how would you do 6? This is number 6. 6 means a nice smile. This is number 6. Normally how would you do 6? Like this, right? But no, that's wrong. This is number 6. 5 and 1, 6. 7, 8, and this is number 9. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you the values. This is number 6. 6 means to smile. 7 is for gun. This is for number 7. 7 means gun. 8 is a very cute little octopus having 8 legs. And this is number 9. 9 means give me a high five. This is number 9. So we just did 1 to 9 on our fingers, and this is 0. Let's do it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's very good. You are almost there. So now how would we do number 10? 10, normally we would do like this, but no. How would you do number 10? Anyone? Any guesses? Think about it. No? Yeah, you might be right. Using your left hand, use your left hand. Remember to always use your left hand first. So 1, 0. Make it better for you all. 1 on your left hand and 0 on your right hand. 1, 0 is 10. 1, 0. This is number 10. How would you make 20? 2, 0, 20. 30, 3, 0, 30. 4, 0, 40. How would you make 50? 5, 0, 50. 60, 6, 0, 60. 70, 80, 90. That's it. You did 9. If I tell you number 12, so 1 and 2. This is number 12. 1, 2, 12. How would you do 22? 20. The tens place is always on the left hand and the ones place is always on the right hand. So 2, 2, 22. 3, 3, 33. 4, 4, 44. 5, 5, 55. If I'll 6, 6, 66. 7, 7, 77, 8, 8, 88, 9, 9, 99. So this is 99. 9 on my left hand and another 9 on my right hand. 9, 9, 99. Okay, let's do some question answers. If I'll say number 45, how would we do 45? So 4, 40, that is 4 on the left hand and 5 on the right hand. So 4, 5, 45. If I'll say number 67, so 6 on the left hand. You say 6 on the left hand and 67, right? 6 on the left hand and how it's 7? This is number 7. So 6, 7, 67. Can you see? 6 on the left hand and 7 on the right hand. 6, 7, 67. If I'll say 91, this is 9, right? 91, 92, 93, 94, 0 again, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. That's right. So just using your 10 fingers, we are able to count up to 99. Isn't that very simple? You say any number and up to 99, because in this first video, I am just teaching you how to count up to 99 using your 10 fingers. So counting on your fingers is one of the simplest ways to connect with numbers. Finger counting isn't just for the classroom. Imagine you're going to your shopping mall or you're going to a vegetable vendor. He tells you potatoes for $3 or 3 rupees and 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. That's easy, which you can do it mentally also. What if there's a calculation for, I'm just saying the number, I'm not saying the currency, because you might be watching this video from anywhere from the world. So just imagine you have to do 45 plus 33 minus 46. You would probably remove your phone and do the calculation. But what if I tell you can do it on your fingers? Like, just I'll give you an example which we will be learning in our next video. I'm just giving you a short example. Plus 5, plus 1, minus 1. I'm sorry, I'll do it again for you. Do it a little slowly. Plus 5, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, plus 1. So this is number 9. So easily we did it. Again, I'll help you to do it. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, minus 4, plus 5, plus 2, plus 2, minus 5. The answer is 4. So you don't have to use any of your brain or something. So quickly we did it. So in the next video, I will help you, or I will teach you how to do the calculation plus and minus using your fingers. So please do subscribe my channel. Do share with your friends or with the mothers or fathers who would love to help